Welcome to Buddy Developer. If you're doing affiliate marketing and your website is slow, cluttered, or ugly, you're leaving money on the table. Today, I'll show you the best WordPress themes for affiliate marketing websites that load fast, look professional, and help you get more clicks and conversions. Theme 1. Astra. Astra is one of the most popular WordPress themes for affiliate marketers. It's super fast, lightweight, and optimized for SEO right out of the box. You get ready-made starter templates for blogs, niche sites, and review websites. If you're using Elementor or Gutenberg, Astra works perfectly. Best for beginners, niche affiliate blogs, Amazon affiliates. Theme 2. GeoDirectory. GeoDirectory is all about performance. It's minimal, clean, and insanely fast, which is perfect for ranking on Google. Many top affiliate marketers use GeoDirectory because it gives full control over layout without slowing down your site. Best for SEO-focused affiliate sites, authority blocks. Theme 3. Cadence. Cadence is a modern theme with powerful built-in features. You get a header and footer builder, clean typography, and great customization without extra plugins. It's perfect if you want your affiliate site to look premium and trustworthy. Best for product reviews, comparison sites, authority brands. Theme 4. Neve. Neve is mobile first and super fast. Since most affiliate traffic comes from mobile devices, this is a big advantage. It works well with page builders and is easy to set up even if you're new. Best for mobile-heavy traffic, beginners. Bonus tip. Remember, your theme alone won't make money. Use clear call-to-action buttons, comparison tables, fast hosting, and quality content. Speed plus trust plus clarity equals more affiliate commissions. We also provide WordPress development support, so if you want a WordPress website or blog, or you're looking for someone to maintain your WordPress site, hire us at buddydevelopers.com. Subscribe this channel for more update, and thanks for watching.